lover, I'm always on a hunt for products that I can add to my makeup collection and try different looks. And for a while now, I've been wanting to try the rosy makeup look for things like Maybelline New York blush in the shade rose. The pressed powder blush has a silky texture that blends seamlessly onto your skin. It adds a natural yet noticeable pop of color to your cheeks and enhances your entire look. It offers a light coverage and has a true to tone color that suits every skin tone. A little bit of powder blush can give your skin a glowing and even look. Start by applying foundation or CC cream before the blush. Now take a brush and gently swirl it over the blush pan for the powder to build on it. Smile and sweep the brush in small circles on your cheekbones to the temples for a sculpted, sun-kissed look. The Maybelline New York blush comes in a bunch of other shades like nudes, mauves, and berry shades that suits all skin tones and gives a naturally flushed look.